I brought you out today. We're going to have a mooch around the seaside town of Seaham, which is on the north coast of England, in County Durham. Let's have a look. So, we're going to have a walk down to the marina. There's been quite a bit developed down here over the past few years, like. Spin you around, like you have a look. You just follow it down here. So we parked at the top, which is a free car park, but there is a car park behind us here that if you want to be more like closer to the marina and the shops, you can park down here, which obviously is a paid for car park. But the one at the top is free. So I'll have a little walk in, have a look. It's a beautiful day today, as you can see. Let's have a look at some of the boats in the marina. It's a lovely little seaside town, this. We moved around the corner and I was shouted over by a paddle boarder and somebody that was in a kayak, so I'll turn you around so you can have a little look. Hi. Say hi, Jack. Hi. Yeah. Cool, that, isn't it? But so you just walk down here and it's quite a nice, the hill isn't too bad, like it's a gradual slope down to the marina. So I'll spin you around and let you have a little look. It's got some shops and some cafes and things. A little museum for the R&I think it is. But it's quite a nice. That pier there is part of the Seaham Fishing Anglers Club. For those that are interested in the fishing side of things. But it's great. We'll just have a little walk round here. This is the entrance to the pier is round here. But it's nice. So if you're in the northeast, this is definitely a seaside town for you to visit. A little beach or a little cove beach here. That's in between the two little piers. It's only small, but it's great if you come down with little ones. You know, it's quite calm there. But here's the pier that I was telling you about for the Anglers Club. Hasn't got a railing on, and you need to get the key from the club to be able to access it. So it's all good. It's nice. You want to go on the beach, Jack? Yeah. Got a bloke over there fishing today. So I'll give you a fun fact about this beach here. A lot of people go glass collecting. You know, here's Jack. Hello, Jack.
Hello.
Right, just be careful. Let's see, has he got something on here or not? No, just a bird trying to steal his bait by the looks of it. I saw people tend to, you see them walk along that beach to get the bits of glass that have been smoothed off by the sand, and they make jewellery out of it. So there's actually a shop on the high street that actually makes like custom jewellery from the bits of glass that he's found, like, you know, and they have it on sale. So that's it, but it's lovely. It's turned out all right today, hasn't it? Aye. So, yep. You can see right along. There's Sunderland over there in the distance. But there's quite a lot to do here, actually. It's got a bit of history. There's got a few of the art pieces, artwork that they've done, or should I say statues. So we'll have a look at them as well. But yes, out and about. I've already spoken to a couple of lovely locals, you know, that they're impressed with the way that Seaham's moving, the direction of it and the developments. So, right, I'm going to go back up to the top and have a little look along the front of the town. In a bit. Pretty cool to see. Where this pit wheel is, the flower bed is actually made up of shells instead of stones. That's kind of cool. Another nod to the mining heritage here in Seaham. They have this statue of a miner. It's pretty cool to see. And it's just across the road. The detail is unbelievable, really. We're going to take a walk down the front street of the seaside town. It's got plenty of restaurants and things, cafes and bars and quirky little shops. I mentioned about glass collecting off the beach and making products with them. Here's the shop here. That's where they do it, that's where they sell little quirky bits of jewellery and things. Pretty cool. We're going to head over here and have a look at this monument to a soldier. The front street here, and we've came to a statue of an infantry soldier. This is known to locals as War Tommy. See if I can get back and get a better picture of it for you. See the scale of it, there's Jack. This is an unbelievable nod to those that fought in the Great Wars. As you can see. There's a little bit about him and what he is. It says, everyone known locally as Tommy was brought on August the 4th, 2014 with generous donations from the public's local schools, businesses and County Durham Council. He sits here for future generations to visit, enjoy and remember. By Ray Longsdale.
That's a sword, that one, son. It's a sword.
Unbelievable. Look, there's his backpack on the back there. His canteen. His rifle. Sitting on a trunk. I mean, just look at his hands. Look at the scale of his hands.
Yeah.
Amazing that, Jack, isn't it? Ah, he's giving Tommy a cuddle there. Great. It's just situated just off of the Remembrance Cross here. Take a look, take over there, have a little look. It's where the reefs have been put down and the poppies have laid to remember all those that sacrificed. Take a walk right round. Each of these reefs represents possibly a regiment or a battalion, or even it's got a police service there, it's got the councils there, fire and rescue. There's the Royal Air Force Cadets. We need to be proud of those that sacrifice so much for us. And by putting these monuments up, you know, and by remembering, it's the least we could do. So we'll head on down, see what else is down there. But it's great, it's well worth a visit seeing. You know, it's got plenty to do, plenty of places to go and eat and drink and things. So I'll get you when we're down at the next bit. Not only do Seaham give a good nod to our military history. They also have a little monument here for those that are part of the lifeguard and those that have lost their lives in the North Sea. Spin you around like you. John Miller, Fred Gibbert, Arthur Brown, Leonard Brown, James Farrington. As we walk along this little coastal path here, you can just see there's another nod to our military history. So we'll have a look at that and see what that's all about. But it's great that we've got these things to remember, like, you know what I mean, and to teach the younger generation the sacrifices that were made. There's also a little bit down to the beach there that you can go down. Plenty, if you're into walking or you have dogs, it's great this. Got a caution sign on unstable cliffs. So here we are, we're walking up to this military gun. Looks great, doesn't it? So this is what is known as a 5.5 inch gun, which is British standard medium size equipment. It was introduced in 1942 and they've put this here as a monument. I mean, just have a, I don't know if this is restored or if it's just been moved here. It's actually, I don't know if you can see, I'll get it up there. See, can you see the badge on the end there? We'll have a little walk along to the information board to see exactly what it's saying, but this is pretty cool. Let's have a look at this information board. Jack! Let's have a look at this information board. It's an artillery gun. Here's some pictures. 2nd Durham, in brackets Seaham Artillery Volunteers. I'll take a photo of this and put it on so you can read it. And would you just look at the anchors that they would have had to set into the ground to stop it from moving. Look at them. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Right, so we're going to start heading back along to the car now. We've taken a little walk along. I don't want to show everything because I would appreciate you coming and visiting this area. There's so much more to see, so much more to do. I just wanted to put a short video up of Seaham and some of its industry, past and present, and also the nod that the seaside town gives to our military history. Okay, so I'll catch you when I'm further back up the road. Back the car now. That was just a little mooch around Seaham. I didn't want to show you everything because I believe that to really explore somewhere and basically give it the time that it needs, you need to come and visit it for yourself. Okay, so like I say on all of them, get out, have an adventure, make memories. Till the next one, guys. Bye.